Most people know what their plants need to thrive. But to tell if your garden has everything, then the only way to understand is to test the soil. So when you first start to garden, it's essential to check your ground to know what you're working with. Having a soil tester on hand will help you not only know what is in your soil, but also what you need to add to it to give the right pH levels. To do that, it's better to have a soil test kit for yourself. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Macdo allows you to measure the soil moisture, pH, and light levels, and make your plants grow healthy and active. It's straightforward to use, you just need plug and read. You can push the meter into the soil, and you'll get your reading. Thus, you will know when to water, adjust pH, or change lighting for your garden, flowers, plants, both indoor and outdoor. Push the switch to the right and insert the probe deeply into the soil to know the pH level of the land. Most indoor plants prefer a slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.5 and 7. Push the switch to the left to know the moisture of the ground and insert the probe deeply into the earth, reaching root level. Note moisture level and refer to the chart below for your plant's watering needs. The Soil pH Meter 3-in-1 helps provide a healthy growing environment for all plants through careful monitoring of various inputs. It works great for outdoor and indoor plants and gardens. No battery required, simple and convenient to operate. It offers a smooth operation to insert the meter into the soil, switch to the setting you want to measure, and read the scale. Also, to avoid damaging the electrode, please clean the electrode after each use. Besides, it provides an accurate and easy way to measure the moisture content of the soil. Moreover, it comes with a compact and portable design for indoor or outdoor use, and it helps prevent overwatering. Another advantage is that the moisture meter will quickly tell whether your plants are doing well. On the other hand, it lets you know that dry and needs water, or wet and could use a day to dry out. You'll never over or underwater your plants again. The Luster Leaf Rapid Test Soil Tester 1609CS contains 5 color-coded test tubes along with a color comparison chart. Also, the test results allow the gardener to amend and fertilize appropriately, ensuring the best possible results. It's vital to know the existing pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash levels in garden soil. Besides, it is extensive yet simple, and instructions are included along with recommendations for over 25 plants. Test results allow the gardener to amend and fertilize appropriately, ensuring the best possible results. Also, this kit includes instructions that will enable you to test your soil with no prior experience successfully. The Luster Leaf 1605 includes pH preference for over 450 plants and how to adjust the soil pH. It utilizes advanced LED technology and patent-pending optical calibration system to read the test colors. Also, the system is calibrated to read small color variations that can be difficult to distinguish with the human eye. It offers a tester booklet that tells you how to adjust soil pH, and it provides recommendations for fertilizers. Besides, the booklet's pH preference list allows you to select plants for your soil's pH or know how much to adjust the soil pH for your current plants. Moreover, it has a color comparison system that makes it easy to use and terrific for both home and professional applications. Holding the first place among the list of best soil test kits, we have the Soil Savvy Soil Test Kit. It is a ready-to-use, professional-grade soil test kit available to the general public that provides an easy-to-understand fertilizer recommendation tailored to your specific soil. Also, the analysis provides a full report, comprised of soil pH and 14 nutrients, including N, P, and K. It has a genuinely sustainable approach to fertilizer management, and it determines what nutrients are needed by your plants and eliminates over-application of the nutrients they don't need. Besides, it has a genuinely sustainable approach to fertilizer management. Soil Savvy determines what nutrients are required by your plants and eliminates over-application of the nutrients you don't need. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to appreciate our work by hitting the like button. If you'd like to see more from us in the future, then go ahead and hit the subscribe and bell icons.